G'day, I'm Edwin from Purple Robotics, and we're creating drones for work. Now, you might be thinking, what makes a drone for work? Well, a really good thing is how long it flies for, and our drones can fly for a long time. In fact, they fly for 3 times longer than the existing drones in the market in their size category. In a drone under 2 kilograms, we can fly for up to 90 minutes. So how does it work? You might be thinking that we're using fancy batteries. I can assure you that's not the case. We've got revolutionary aerodynamic technology that was developed here at the University of Queensland. On the left, you have a helicopter. The helicopter has over 14 moving parts in its head alone, and while it's efficient with that large rotor, it requires an expert to maintain and operate it. However, on the right, you have a quad rotor. 4 moving parts, 4 simple propellers, but it doesn't fly for as long. So we took the best of both worlds. In our Y4 drone, you get 4 moving parts and you get that increased efficiency that a large rotor offers. So trivially, with 3 times the flight time, you can fly 3 times the distance. But what's more, this allows you to access 9 times the area from a fixed ground station. This is revolutionary when you think about drones being deployed from fixed locations in the industry. For instance, power distribution in Queensland would require over 2,000 conventional drones to cover their whole network with continuous monitoring. With our drones, we can bring this number down to just 200. And an example of how the drones are even more useful, if you're flying to remote sites to do inspection, you might be only able to cover 1 site with the competitor's drone. With ours, you can cover that 1 site and you can cover 3 or 4 more before you have to return to base. It gets even better though, because you can trade off some of this this flight time for more payload. So you might want to carry that really, really awesome sensor. And typically, awesome sensors don't always come in compact packages. In fact, to shrink a sensor down, if it's not a camera, you generally pay 10 times more just to halve the weight of the sensor. So this gives another benefit in that you can save a lot of money by using the better and slightly bulkier sensors. Commercial drone hardware is a $3.7 billion industry, and that was the spend in 2017 alone. That's on drones for work. That's not on the software, that's not on the apps, that's the actual physical drones, which is what we're producing. And we plan to monetize our drones by partnering with software solution providers, the companies providing the analytics from the drones. Companies like SiteC here in Brisbane. We plan to work closely with customers by leasing our drone initially for $500 to $1,000 per month, and as we develop, this will allow us to go to the market a lot more quickly than we otherwise could. Obviously, if a customer wants to buy our drone, we'll say yes, and we'll sell it to them for $6,000. At the moment, we're seeking $600,000 in investment to take us forward through the next 12 months. We want to take our commercial demonstrator and make it a product in the hands of our customers. And this isn't just theoretical. We've made the drone and it flies. And it flies for 83 minutes. That's the current version. The next version will definitely hit that 90-minute milestone. Oh, and just as a fun tidbit, if you didn't think this was awesome, our drone can carry the most popular drone in the world for longer than that drone can fly by itself.